Hi everyone, it's so nice to be doing this again. I'm very excited to share with you the latest promos and promo codes available in the Your Beauty website. And today we'll be tackling promos in the USA, Canada, UK, and Australia. If you've seen my video previously, I mentioned that I will not be editing my videos for a while, so this will be uncut. And so please bear with my oomph and uhs and also some mispronunciation along the way. And if there's anything I say that is not clear, please do not hesitate to comment below, and I'll try to answer all your questions as much as I can. All right, so let's get started. The very first promo codes are available in the US and Canada, and this is Touch Up 24. So here it is, Touch Up 24 for your minimum purchase of $175, both US and Canadian dollar. It's only $175. There's no conversion. And you will get this Dior pouch, the silver pouch, and also this denim pouch with the mascara, and also a deluxe sample of the lip maximizer. So this is a great deal. You'll get 2 pouches. I don't, you probably don't think Christmas is almost there, but if you are planning to gift Dior products, this is such a great gift that you can regift. I say it a lot. I do it a lot of times, and so far those gifts that I've given were very well received. So by the way, I tried Touch Up 24 in Canadian website and it worked great. However, for some reason it did not work in the Dior US Beauty website. So I'm not sure if it's just for myself or maybe there's a problem in the website. Try it if it works, because it was just announced during the last masterclass on Thursday, so it should work. But unfortunately, when I tried it, it didn't. So let me know in the comment if it worked for you, if maybe you'll find out that there's other specific things, requirements that you need to add in the cart for it to work. But so far for mine, it did not work, unfortunately. But good news for Canadians, it definitely works in the Dior Beauty Canada website. Next in line, this is again available in both US and Canada. And this one I tried in both US and Canada Dior website, and it definitely worked. And this is promo code Touch Up 48 with a minimum purchase of $350. And this is awesome for all of you that are into Dior Prestige, which is the most expensive Dior line. So this specific gift with purchase includes 7-piece Dior Prestige products. And based on my research, I've watched Trisha's recent video. These are about 3 to 10 ml products, and the case that comes with it, it's really nice. Let's play this short video, and also I will link this whiteboard in the description below so you could revisit it. And also this I link Trisha's YouTube so you could watch the full video on her YouTube channel. So here is a quick video just to see what you will get if you decide to go for this gift with purchase. As you can see, the pouch is really great, and it has this 7-piece product ranging from 3 to 10 ml products. Right. For the fan of Dior Prestige, I think it's worth it. It's great travel size product, especially because these products are very expensive. All right, moving on. This one is only available in the US, and this is, let me just move this a little bit right here. There you go. This one, the promo code is 999 day 24 with your minimum purchase of $175. You'll get this red pouch, which I actually have it right here, and it's a great pouch with 2 gold zippers. Both zippers are branded, and you have this just slightly Dior logo here that's embroidered, and inside it's actually lined and no pockets. So there you go. This is such a great size. Sometimes it's available in black, but for this specific promo code, it's only in red. And the lipstick, the Deluxe Lipstick, it's this size right here. And this is not the right color, but just want to give you an idea of the lipstick size. Again, this is an awesome deluxe product, and it also comes with the J'adore Parfum Deluxe sample. Again, that's code 999 day 24 for your minimum purchase of $175, and this is only available in the US. Again, perfect for regifting. You know, buy your favorite products, the ones that you already love, stock up on them, and have something you can give on Christmas Day to your friends or family. Next, in the UK, let me put this right here. Okay. In the UK, for your minimum purchase of £150, you will receive a lipstick case. This, I think it's a sample Sauvage perfume or fragrance, similar to the J'adore, you know, those sample size. They just don't have a photo there, but you will receive a lipstick case and also a deluxe sample of a J'adore perfume. So, and if you add any of the Sauvage fragrance, no matter the size, you will also receive a deluxe sample of Sauvage EDT. I believe this is 10 ml, which is a good size. Again, perfect for regifting or for yourself, you know, if you like it. So there you have it. That's for the Dior UK website. And lastly, we have the promo for the Dior Australia website. This one is, I think it's really great. One moment, I need to check the price. All right, I just corrected that. So this is for minimum purchase of 200 Australian dollars. I think this is a very great deal because with this one, you don't need any promo code. You will receive a sample J'adore fragrance and also a 3.5 miniature right here, and also a 10 ml Sauvage. Plus, you will also receive this beautiful Dior Discover Kit, which is the Prestige pouch. And also in here is Miss Dior EDP, Dior Lip Maximizer, mascara, and I believe this is a Capture Total Foaming Cleanser. So that's 6 miniature products, 1 pouch, and also 1 sample product for your purchase of 200 Australian dollars. So there you have it. Both Australia and UK do not require any promo code. And then in the US, exclusively in the US, we have this 99 day 24 for your minimum purchase of $175. And it should work for US and Canada, Touch Up 24 for your minimum purchase of $175. And Touch Up 350, oh, I'm sorry, Touch Up 48 for your minimum purchase of $350. Again, I will link this specific whiteboard in the description below so you can review it, and hopefully you find this very helpful. All right, thank you again for sticking with me. It's your Artsy Momsy, Christine Flores, and in this channel, I share with you beauty, fashion, and anything crafty. And I am also very committed to giving you your best Dior beauty purchase. All right, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.